If your houseplants could produce more fresh, healthy leaves without expensive products or complicated techniques, if your plant has been sitting still for weeks or growing only one tiny leaf at a time, you may be making a few simple mistakes. The good news is that most houseplants already have everything they need to grow new foliage. They simply need the right combination of light, water, nutrition, roots, and regular care. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple methods that can encourage stronger, faster leaf growth on many popular houseplants. From moving your plant to a better location to improving its growing conditions, these tips are beginner-friendly and easy to apply. So, before you give up on that slow-growing plant, try these 5 changes and watch closely for those exciting new leaves. Number 1. Give your plant more bright, indirect light. Light is one of the biggest factors controlling new leaf growth. If your houseplant receives too little light, it may survive, but growth can become extremely slow. Leaves may become smaller, stems can stretch toward windows, and new growth may appear rarely. Move your plant to a location with bright, indirect light, such as a spot near an east or bright north-facing window, depending on your home and plant. Avoid suddenly placing a shade-loving plant under intense, direct afternoon sunlight, because its leaves can scorch. Rotate the pot every week or 2 so all sides receive balanced light. Remember, more light doesn't always mean more direct sun. The goal is enough usable light without excessive heat or leaf damage. Once lighting improves, your plant has more energy available for photosynthesis, which can support healthier roots, stronger stems, and eventually more new leaves. Number 2. Water at the right time. Incorrect watering can quietly stop new leaf production. Some people water their plants on a strict schedule, while others wait until the plant is extremely dry. Neither approach works perfectly for every houseplant. Instead, check the soil before watering. For many common indoor plants, allow the upper portion of the soil to dry before giving the plant a thorough drink. When you water, soak the soil evenly until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. Then empty standing water from the saucer. Constantly soggy soil can reduce oxygen around the roots and create conditions that damage them, while severe dryness can stress the plant and slow growth. The perfect watering frequency depends on the plant, pot size, soil, temperature, and light level. Give your plant consistent moisture without keeping its roots permanently wet, and you'll create a much better environment for producing fresh foliage. Number 3. Feed during active growth. If your plant receives good light and proper watering, but still refuses to produce new leaves, nutrition may be another factor. Plants use nutrients to build new stems, leaves, roots, and other tissues. During active growing periods, a balanced houseplant fertilizer, used according to its label, can provide important nutrients. Avoid the temptation to add extra fertilizer, because more isn't always better. Over-fertilizing can damage roots and create salt buildup in the soil. Start with the recommended dilution and frequency on the product label, and consider reducing or stopping feeding when your plant's growth naturally slows. Also remember that fertilizer cannot compensate for poor lighting, damaged roots, or incorrect watering. Think of fertilizer as support, not a magic growth button. When the basics are already right, appropriate nutrition can help provide your houseplant with the resources it needs to develop stronger stems and new, healthy leaves. Number 4. Check the roots and soil. Healthy roots are the foundation of healthy leaves. If roots are crowded, constantly waterlogged, or growing in exhausted, compacted soil, your plant may struggle to produce new foliage. Check the pot occasionally for warning signs, such as roots circling heavily around the root ball, water sitting on the soil for a long time, or soil becoming extremely compacted. If the plant is genuinely root-bound or the growing medium has broken down, repotting into a suitable container with fresh, well-draining potting mix may help. Don't automatically move every plant into a huge pot. A container that is dramatically larger can hold excess moisture for too long. Choose a pot only slightly larger when repotting is actually needed, and make sure it has drainage holes. Give the roots a healthy environment, and your plant can redirect its energy towards stronger stems and fresh, new leaves. Number 5. Prune and encourage healthy new growth. Sometimes a little strategic pruning can help improve the appearance and structure of your houseplant. Remove dead, yellowing, or badly damaged leaves using clean tools. For plants that naturally branch after pruning, trimming a suitable growing tip can encourage growth from lower nodes, creating a fuller appearance over time. However, never remove large amounts of healthy foliage at once. Leaves are the plant's energy-producing surfaces, so excessive pruning can actually slow recovery. Before cutting, learn how your particular plant responds to pruning, because not every species branches in the same way. You can also regularly rotate the plant and keep its leaves clean from heavy dust, allowing light to reach the foliage more effectively. Combined with proper light, watering, nutrition, and healthy roots, thoughtful pruning can help create a more compact, attractive plant with more opportunities for fresh growth. And there you have it, 5 simple ways to encourage more new leaves on your houseplants. Remember, healthy growth doesn't usually come from one secret ingredient. It comes from getting the basics right. Bright, appropriate light, correct watering, balanced nutrition, healthy roots, and smart pruning. Don't expect a new leaf overnight. Give your plant consistent care and watch for small signs of progress, such as a swelling growth point or a tiny new leaf emerging. Every plant grows at its own speed, so patience is part of the process. If these tips helped you, like this video, subscribe to Natural Life_SR7, and turn on notifications for more simple indoor plant growing tips. And tell me in the comments, which houseplant are you trying to grow more leaves on?